In this video, we're going to understand what VST is and how to use it for demo trading on BingX. VST, or Virtual USDT, is a demo trading token issued by BingX. The important thing to know is it has no real value. You cannot withdraw it, transfer it, or use it for real trading. It's only for practice. You can use VST in standard contracts and copy trading to simulate real market conditions without risking real money. The platform allows up to 150 VST orders per day, and your trading volume is calculated based on margin multiplied by leverage. To start demo trading, open the BingX app and go to the Assets page. Tap on the VST account under Standard Contracts, then click Go to Trade. Inside the trading panel, choose either isolated margin or cross margin. For beginners, isolated margin is usually safer. Next, decide your direction, long or short. Then choose your order type, like market order or trigger order, set your leverage, and enter your margin amount. Now just hit the long or short button and your demo trade is open. On the web version, the process is simpler. Go to BingX, open Standard Contracts, select your trading pair, choose the VST account from the USDT menu, and place your trade. You can track everything under My Positions. When you register on BingX, you automatically receive 100,000 VST in your demo account. If your balance falls below 20,000 VST, you can apply for more, but only once every 7 days. On the app, go to Assets, select the VST account, and tap the Apply button. On the web, go to My Assets under Standard Contracts and click Apply for VST. VST is a great way to practice trading, test strategies, and learn the platform without risking real money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.